Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound not working on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that the sound's not working. What could you actually do? Now, I recently just faced this issue, guys, and the first things first, you want to make sure that the sound output device that you're using is actually connected. So if you're using a soundbar or if you're using headphones, please just make sure and do the obvious and make sure that it's actually connected. Next, you want to navigate to where it says settings on the upper right hand corner, scroll down to where it says sound, and then click on audio output, and then you want to click on output device. Make sure that the correct output device is selected here. So if you have speakers attached, select your speakers. If you had headphones attached, attach your headphones, but make sure that you're connected to the right audio output device. Now, once you've done so, if that still doesn't work, the other thing that you can do is that you could actually go back into system, then you can go back into reset options, and you can simply just reset your console. Sometimes that does the trick in being able to fix your sound. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix sound issues on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.